Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, beginning of a new month, March 1st here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Well, yesterday we saw quite the rally, putting in an inside candle on the futures market, really close to it, kind of poked out just a little bit there. Coming in this morning, and of course we are constantly have news coming out of the Russia-Ukraine conflict and I guess war, because Russia did declare war. So we are constant volatility that is constantly being digested overnight, and sorry, and a lot of this is affecting trade or buying agricultural products, energy. We have put a great deal of sanctions on the Russian currency, banking. So all of that's kind of getting digested into the market, causing a lot of volatility. So what I can tell you is that taking the time and being a little bit more patient on your trades, and maybe even not trading as much or keeping them shorter, would be a very good idea here. Okay, so this is the ES. What did we look like in the SPY yesterday? I guess I could have taken those out. I'm sorry. We had some trend lines drawn in there, trying to figure out where price action was going. And those are really good to have in there, especially intraday, to see where you move, break out of those trend lines, and then coming back through is where you get back out. Okay, here's the candle from yesterday. So again, not quite an inside candle, but a really nice rally we had during the early part of the day, and then we sold off, and then all of a sudden, boom, rallied right back up near the close. So and then today we're going to be moving or opening up down here inside that candle as well. So again, just be very, very cautious. All that being said, there are a few I like. So of course we're going to be focusing on energy. Energy has done really well as day trades, and I did keep I entered Oxy yesterday and held that overnight, and I'll sell that here this morning, and then look for a new entry later on some energy. Okay, but totally outside of that, DWCA. I know, I cannot believe I'm putting this in a watch list. I really didn't think I would be, but look at this trend line that we took a while. We hit it, we broke through it, couldn't hold it. We held on to it for one day to the top side, pierced through it. Yesterday we closed just on top of this. See, trend lines. I love this trend line. And we are going to watch this for a break. This is an inside candle inside the previous day's action, so we are going to look for a break of the high of yesterday's candle at 92.80. Now my stop is going to be at 90.20, and we're going to watch, like I said, watch for that break of that inside candle and continuation. I'm looking at the 414.90s. Now, they do not have a lot of volume at this time, so we really want to watch and make sure that open interest picks up here, okay? And then our targets are 94.70 and 99.03. Sorry, yeah, 94.70 and 99.03. Yesterday, we saw that electric vehicles had a nice little move on the day. Tesla's a good one to watch here for day trading today as well. But plug is one that popped up on our scan. We had a nice bullish gap. We do report tomorrow, so this would just have to be a day trade because we report after the bell tomorrow. So you can hold it overnight, but make sure you're out before those are. Oh, no, they report today after earnings. I'm sorry. They report today after earnings, so just for a day trade. I totally forgot that. Okay, so they report today after earnings. Still like this nice push up off the 50, plenty of room to the 200. I like the 30 calls above 25.29, and obviously close before those earnings. My initial target is 28.35. Sorry about that. Should have checked that earning before I thought I had another day. Okay, and Mara is the last one on my list here. Bitcoin is doing pretty well here. So we've taken a look at Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures here have they held this in this area we were talking about earlier last week. Nice bullish run yesterday. Today, stretching above the 50 but below the 200. So that might be a bit of a sticking point here, but Mara is one of those plays. You can play Riot or BITO, GBTC. There's a whole bunch of them. I'm looking at the 414.30 calls in Mara, and I like the an entry of 26.65, which is at that 50, or probably an ORB. We're probably going to make a nice little run here if we hold it, right? So we're actually sitting right up near this 50 already this morning. So an opening range break, my stop would be either the low of the opening candle or 26.20. And my initial target is 28.93 and then 31.44. So like I said, there's some other really great charts to look at here today. We're still watching Square like this yesterday. Missed an entry on it, but we'll come back and take a look here today on a move over the 50. Now since we're so close to the 50, I like that. Still like Live Nation. Took a came right back into the 8 yesterday, right? So pretty hard down day, but holding a good portion still of this earnings candle. So looking for a reversal there in LYV. New looked really strong out of the gate and kind of settled in, but this still, I like it over the close from yesterday for a test of the high. Sorry, and FCX, another one. So big move, couldn't quite hold all of it in, so looking for an entry near the top of this, near the close of the candle yesterday to test the high and then a breakout. So a lot of these looking pretty darn good this morning. Okay, if you have any questions, please reach out. Heather C. at GivingTreeTrading.com.